Come check out this Chevy Silverado 1500. We have done a huge dual battery system in it, a big light bar on it, and a GME UHF.
Okay, so with the UHF, we've come up with something new. Here's our 1500 UHF handpiece mount. So there's printed plastic with the mount in it, magnetic mount, and no holes, goes into existing holes. It's underneath the rubber bit. And then we've come up with this little insert here. There's again an existing hole, handpiece clippy. Here, I'll give you some shade. And that is our light bar switch, because we got no places for switches on these things. So at any stage, this can go. Lid closes, big hole, happy days. We'll show you the dual battery system.
All right, and in the back, we have got our under-seat dual battery system. So a bit of a waste of space in the Chevy. This is our under-seat cubby. You have been able to buy the metal work on our website for a period of time, but it will very shortly be released as a complete product that is all wired up and ready to go with a charge harness. But we'll talk you through what we've done in the workshop here. We have got, first of all, the battery is the Invicta 200 amp hour lithium. It is the black. It is okay to be laid on its side like this, which means it fits really nicely under the seat. We move into all the fusing that is in here, and we've got the EPRO shunt, so we're monitoring the battery status and the ins and outs of it via the Endrive EPRO, which we will show you in a second, mounted on the side. And then, sockets fusing going into the Invicta inverter. So you've got some GPOs on the passenger side of this one here, so you can plug in your household devices such as coffee machines and induction cooktops, and you can run all of that off the 2000 watt inverter. And then we've got the REDARC BCDC Alpha. It's a 50 amp, so it's going to put 50 amps of battery in, 50 amps of charge in from your car's alternator while you are driving. It's got green power priority, so if we have a solar panel on the roof, it's going to prioritise the solar input over the alternator input, saving stress on your alternator. So that is all under the seat of this Silverado box. We can dial this down a bit. We can go in without the inverter and you can just have battery charger. There will be a few different options that are available on the website. All right, so over here we have got the Endrive EPRO screen. So this is showing us percentage status of our battery. You get amps in, out, what battery size you've got, temperatures, all sorts of monitoring in there. So that's nice and handy to access. Being Invicta, you do get it within the Invicta app as well, so you can see it on your phone, but it's just a nice reference point that's in front of your eyeballs. We've got the GPOs, so that's wired into the Invicta inverter, just normal house GPOs. We use a CMS style system through there. 2 Anderson plugs for output and sockets, so USB, dual USB and cigarette socket. So on the other side of the cubby, as our standard, we're doing 1, 2 and 3 outlets. Just keeping all the monitoring and the GPOs to this side. This is also your inverter on-off switch here, so powers my inverter on. You can see I've got more draw on the battery, and obviously if you plug something in, that'll show you in real time what you are drawing. And then this one has also got Starlink, so it's a Starlink on-off switch there as well. So it's a really nice, neat, tidy install, using up some what is wasted space under the seat of this Silverado.
So in the back here, we've actually not normally what we'd do. Normally we'd flush mount straight into the wall, but this customer wants to put a lot of stuff in here and be able to throw stuff in and be protected. So we've printed up a cover for an Anderson plug. That's for his fridge, and then we've got some sockets, but it's all facing backwards so they can throw stuff in. And then we've also put another one of these at the front, and that's for the Starlink. He's got a Starlink mount that runs off an Anderson plug, so it's actually pretty cool. Alright, so then on the front we've got the big STEDI Curved Light Bar. We did it on one and it looked pretty cool, so we've done a fair few of them. Being a steel bar underneath, we got plenty to mount to, so they come in really sturdy and a really good place to mount it, and it actually sits behind the number plate, so legal, which is pretty, it's just the way it sits.
All right, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. We would love to fit out your Chevy for you here at our workshop in Maroochydore, but if you can't get to us, you can buy our Chevy products on our website. We will chuck the link up above. But as always, if you would like any questions answered, if you have some amazing feedback about our wonderful kit design, please put them in the comments below. We do read all of those comments and pass them on to our designer. But yeah, you can fill out the contact us page on our website if you want us to do a build for you. If you would like to check out all of our Chevy products and some of the builds we've done on the Chevy vehicles, you can watch this video up here, and YouTube really thinks you should watch this one down here.
Accelerate off-grid touring, powering your adventures.